You can see the earthquake, the volcano, Volcán de Fuego, has been erupting non-stop over these last few days, and the ash is depositing all over the place. So if I go like this, you can see the ash, which is very good for the fields and the farms because it's super fertile.
Giggity.
So yeah, but it's a bit annoying when I'm riding on my motorbike without a helmet because I can't see shit. Just another little thing that happens when you live in Antigua. Isn't that interesting? Fucking lovely, isn't it?